Hello friends, welcome to the new video of Magento. So today we are going to learn about the flat catalog. So in the previous versions, what we are trying to do is we always enable the flat catalog settings in the Magento to optimize the store. But now the scenario is changed. They have this warning that use of the flat catalog is no longer recommended as a best practice. Continue this feature will cause the performance degradation. So those who are still going to use this flat catalog tables for the speed optimization, don't do that as per the Magento. They said that it will cause performance degradation, right? Affected versions include 2.3, okay, and above. So only release version, some extensions only work with the flat table, thus creating a risk if you disable flat tables. If you have some extension that use flat catalog indexes, you need to aware of the risk, right? So what exactly the flat catalog table does? Flat catalog always creates a new table, okay, where each row contains all necessary data about the product and the category, and the flat catalog is updated automatically every minute or according to the cron job. Flat catalog indexing can speed up the processing of the catalog and the cart price rules. Catalog as many as 50,000, 500,000 can index quickly as a flat catalog, right? Before you enable catalog our live store, make sure to test the configuration. So if you think that flat catalog table helps you to optimize that, then you can give a test, right? So what you can do, you can enable the flat catalog. So how to enable the flat catalog? Here you need to go to the configuration, go to the stores configuration, then we have catalog. Where is catalog? Okay, and here we are the settings, right? We will search one. It is in the stores catalog. Use store. It is in the admin's address store settings configuration. Catalog. Choose catalog and use flat. So it is there, or it is moved somewhere. Where it is flat catalog. Let's. I'm going to search is flat. Let me show is open the storefront. Okay. Then we have where it is. This is use flat catalog category, use flat catalog product. So these are the options. So these options, try what you have to try. If you're going to enable it, so make it yes. Okay, after doing this, so you need to enable the cron job, right? Enabling the cron job. After that, in the catalog, right, in the catalog categories, change anything like product description or something, right? And same you will do with the categories part and the products part both. And after this, see the speed page optimization, is it reflecting something or it has causing the issues. On the behalf of it, you can check. If it is not giving you like not issue, then you will enable it, else you need to disable it as per the Magento guidelines, right? So this is basically a flat catalog where we have to use or not use for the speed optimization. So because those people who are knowing doing the Magento, and they think that the flat catalogs are helps in like optimization of the website. So you need to check or verify if it is affecting to somewhere else or not. Then you have to make such kind of risk accordingly, right? So that's it for now for the flat catalogs. I hope you understand whether you want to go with this feature or not. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.